go.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? This next video here is going to show I went down to Bird Island. Thought I was going to check out the spoil islands out there a little bit and see if there's anything of interest out there, because there's a tournament coming up around next Saturday. So it's going to be October 2nd in Rockport. AKC is throwing it up. Go on their page, check it out. If you want to register, you can do single, you can do team. Bunch of prizes, bunch of great guys. I've fished a couple tournaments already with, I think, a few of the guys that are going to be doing the same tournament, and it's been fun so far and kind of puts you to the test. Something that's just fun overall in general. But anyways, starting out, so we throw the usual recipe as we always do. We'll get top water going, and as you guys know, I think those past couple days, it was on the weekend and everything was like flat, hot. Mullet were jumping around. I came across the first couple islands. I was like, well, let me work close. Tide was a little high. Maybe the reds are going to be cruising. Saw a bunch of mullet on top, popping around. And I kept throwing, and nothing. I got one little trout, and that's just because he's young, and he sees something clicking on by. He's going to take a swipe at it. The only thing that saved me was what I have right here. Is going to be this big paddle tail from Slater Inc. that I've grown to like, along with this weedless setup with the eye strike jig that I've used quite often in my previous videos that I can show. I could probably link them down there too if you want to see what they really look like and how I rig them up. So it's really nice. Weedless setup there once you drop the guard. And you can have this paddle tail rigged up and not have any issues going on. And there's a lot of grass going on. I say going on a lot. But this big paddle tail right here, throwing it around, just searching. And sure enough, the first spot I came up on, you're going to see us paddling, and then I saw a couple disturbances on the water. Might have been some redfish, so you never know until you throw. I started tossing in there and hooked up a nice juvie, about 19, almost getting ready for eating size. And after that, I worked the island to my right, and I kept going. And then the same thing, it doesn't look like it, but I was fan casting, started off closer to the island and then worked my way out towards the channel. And that's where I nabbed the second guy. So this thing became the saving grace. After that, it just got too dang hot. I came up on the top and I tried to paddle back in. I seen a lot of drum. I seen a few other reds, and by that time I threw this, they just didn't want nothing to do with it. It was just too hot for them already. I was already too hot and tired. But that's what happened. Anything else? I know you guys are going to see, I need to get a light for my kayak, so I had to use my phone to get out there. Not the smartest thing. We're working on it. We'll get it. Other than that, we got something special coming up. Already had something special happen. I got to fish with Jay Watkins. That was, I can't get over that. I'll make another separate video about that. And just trying to relay everything that I picked up and gathered from him. Just so much information trying to grab in such a little time. It was a great time. I didn't want to record it. You just don't want to take away from something like that. But the next video, I'll try and demonstrate, or tomorrow I'm going out, and I'll try and demonstrate and show everything that I've learned also and picked up from him. So you guys stay tuned, and I hope you like the video, all right? Cheers. go. There we go. Healthy boy. Right there. I see all this mullet right here jumping. So I thought. Yeah, not a bad guy. Little guy. 13. There we go. That was a soft bite. Alrighty, he might think, he might not. That real quick. Can't see because of the sun. Let's see if we can get better lighting. He's about 19 little guy. Hey, what's up guys? It's Antonio right here. We're at another location, doing some pre-fishing for the kayak tournament we got going on. Kind of a slow morning. I got one shot on top water, and I kind of came to this little cut right here between these two islands, and then I saw a big push right here happen. So I thought maybe I spooked something, so I kind of stayed and kind of kept tossing this off plastic, and I think I came upon a little school of reds. So I just got one right there. That's 19. They might be all in that same slot area. Let me see if I can get another one I can show you guys. All right, stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Oh, by the way, get all this jazzed out. So I strike with the Slayer Inc. bomber. Not a bomber, but big paddle tail. All right, we got one. Hopefully there's a few more. He's a nice one. Ooh, got some wrist action there. No, you don't, Papa. Alright. Okay. Alright, you guys. Here we go. Healthy boy. Let's see if I can... He took off with that thing. He's not a bad guy. Let's see. I didn't get him in the picture all the way. There we go. Redfish here. He should be about 20. Kind of right here on the corner of the mouth. Slayer Inc. right there. On the Texas eye. Just hit 20. 20 on the money. Send him off. All right, so we came upon this little shoreline. I wanted to go across the street over there, but there's a boat anchored up, so kind of playing politics here. I might be able to weasel my way in. I kind of don't want to be that guy. I might be that guy, but for right now I just kept cruising this shoreline here, I'm just throwing that paddle tail, that big size paddle tail with that Texas tie, because there's a lot of grass out right now, so I don't want to get caught up. And it's doing the job so far. That's the second one. It might be a school, so we're gonna try and see if we can get on them again. I said school last time. There's schools everywhere, isn't there? But we'll get back on them, guys. Big waves beyond the breakers. Here we go. It's coming. Oh God, I gotta call the Coast Guard. All right, so that's gonna do it for us right there, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.